Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the classic event shop in Fish It Roblox new classic event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to the classic island. If you are at the fisherman island, you can use the teleport feature. Then you're going to find this epic guide, talk to him, and then you need to click on view shop to open the classic event shop. Okay, and here you will see the classic event shop. You can buy the Bloxy cola and a new totem, but you need to have the text coin, and you can farm the text coin just by fishing at the classic island. Okay, for the Bloxy cola, you will need 2k ticks, and for the Noob Totem, you need 5k ticks. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the classic event shop in Fish It Roblox classic event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!